From Sooner Standards, Technology Proficiencies for Classroom and Workplace, a complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6ICCU02. Students learn to identify and discuss the technology proficiencies needed in the classroom and the workplace, and how to meet the needs of different users. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of real settings, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. Plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQIM-aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers,